Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel MZD Tech. Friends, today again I am here with very interesting video for you. Lots of people facing this issue including me. Issue is that if the computer stops responding and you cannot turn it on by pressing the power button. Laptop is looking on dead condition. If your laptop is new, so don't worry, your laptop is not faulty. It just need to reset. Reset your laptop by using this method. Number 1. Disconnect your laptop from AC power. Number 2. Check the reset button on the back side of your laptop. And now insert straightened paper clip into the hole to cut off power supply temporarily. Number 3. Connect your laptop to AC power and then turn on your laptop. Number 4. If your laptop starts successfully, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.